Next, we are going to let you know how to make a car sickness kit. This is great to have with you in the car if you have children who are prone to car sickness, or if you're just not sure. It's just real easy to have all together to be able to grab when you're ready to head out the door for your road trip. So a few things in here. Got some baby wipes. Even if your child's not a baby, these are great to have to clean things up. The fragrance-free is probably going to be best for this situation. And you can add in some paper towels as well to help clean up any messes. Some hand sanitizer. Of course, some motion sickness medication that you can bring along. And a couple of bags. So we have a garbage bag, so this is great. Maybe if your child gets their clothes dirty or something like that, you can put it in a bag until you get to your final destination to be able to clean it. And some sort of wipe that is antibacterial, antiviral is great to have as well for cleanups. And then you also have another bag in here. This could come into use for storing the clothes as well, or maybe when your child is throwing up, that they can use this bag for that. You can also put a bag in a sand bucket. That's another great thing to have. And then for afterwards, a little light snack to help their stomach feel better, and also a beverage to help rehydrate them. So you can store all of this simply in a gallon bag and throw it in your car before your road trip.